Today I'll give you a complete skincare routine that kind of focuses on anti-aging, but also very suitable for dry or dehydrated skin. Now keep in mind that you can have combination dry, even oily skin, and you can still be dehydrated. Just because you have oily skin or combination skin, that doesn't mean that your skin doesn't need hydration. Now the trick is though, how do you find those products that are suitable for dry, dehydrated skin, but can also quench dehydrated, oily or combination skin? It has to be a very special formula that is suitable for everyone, that is enough to quench even the driest skin, but also suitable for people with dehydrated, oily or combination skin. And at the same time, it has some anti-aging properties that are helping you reverse the signs of aging. So although today's skincare routine is focusing on dry and dehydrated skin, so if you have very dry skin, this routine is definitely for you. But even if you have other type skin, normal, oily, combination, this is also for you because your skin needs hydration. And today's skincare routine was made possible by two brand new scientifically advanced products that are anti-aging, but also quench your skin in a way, with hydration in a way that doesn't show. The consistency, the viscosity is so elevated that regardless of your skin type, it will adapt and give you enough hydration regardless of the type of skin that you have. So even if you have severely dry skin, dehydrated, normal, combo, oily, this routine is also suitable for you. And it's all made possible because of these two brand new products by Valmont. So Valmont reformulated their Hydra 3 collection. And you guys know how much I love Valmont. I've been using Valmont for many years, over 10 years. Here's the thing about Valmont. Every time they reformulate something, it's probably the only brand that I know of that every time when they reformulate the skincare product, it's better. Now, there was nothing wrong with the old Hydra 3 formulation, also fantastic formula, but this one is so elevated, so sophisticated. The texture, and I'll show you in a little bit, but the texture is so sophisticated and it technically adapts to the level of hydration that you need in your skin. That's the very unique thing about this collection. It's absolutely miraculous. I'll give you a whole routine, but let me start with the two brand new products because this whole skincare routine is made possible because of these two products. And it's not just hydration, these are also anti-aging products. The Hydra 3 Booster, so this is technically your serum. The reformulated version of this is significantly better than the old one. As I mentioned, the old one was also really amazing, but this one, a whole completely new level. This serum does two things immediately and over time as well. So it hydrates immediately. The texture is so sophisticated and elegant and lightweight. This is why I say that this is suitable for all skin types. If you have very dry, dehydrated, kind of crackly skin, this will hydrate you immediately, and the hydration, by the way, stays on your skin for 3 days. This is encapsulated and it's done in a way that it kind of quenches your skin and it stays on your skin. Your skin becomes so comfortable and hydrated but not oily because this sinks immediately. The second you put it on your skin, regardless of the level of hydration, this will kind of sink, the skin drinks it immediately. This serum also refines the texture of your skin as well, immediately but also over time. And the texture refinement wasn't that pronounced with the old version of the Hydra 3. With this, is super pronounced. It's very pronounced. You can visibly see immediately how the texture of your skin is smoothed. The pores are minimized. This is why I say that it's very suitable for people even with oily skin. Usually when you have oily skin, your sebum comes out a little bit more. Your pores are technically enlarged because your skin produces too much sebum. This helps with that. So it quenches the thirst of your skin, but it also minimizes your pores. It has a pore refiner concentrate, and it is a concentrated encapsulated amount that works immediately on your skin and over time as well. It also has obviously hyaluronic acid. The brand new ingredient here, it has fermented gentian extract, which is a plant. It's derived from EcoCert certified biotechnology, and that plant's been proven in skincare to strengthen the barrier of your skin. This is the new technology of Valmont, and Valmont's been known to have this very unique concepts in cosmetic science formulation. That's the special thing about Valmont, and I love that they keep on reformulating, keep on innovating, and keep on discovering new green technology, but also bioengineered that it's suitable for the anti-aging process and your skin barrier, reversing of aging, quenching the thirst of your skin. I'm absolutely in love with this new Hydra 3 booster. And obviously you can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, it doesn't really matter, but this will stay on your skin for 3 days. Now, I'm not saying you should apply it once every 3 days. Probably apply it every day, but it will quench the thirst of your skin for 3 days. The Hydra 3 Charging Cream. I am so pleasantly surprised by the formulation of this. Number one, the texture is incredible. It's the most sophisticated viscosity, thinnest texture that you can imagine. It's insanely formulated, so it doesn't stay on top of your skin. This also kind of sinks in immediately regardless of the level of hydration that your skin may need. That's the best thing about Valmont. Valmont skincare, most of it actually adapts to the condition of your skin. Whatever you need, Valmont will give you. Because listen, nobody has the same level of hydration of their skin every day. I mean, my skin changes pretty much on a daily basis. It could be normal one day, the whole week is going to be normal, and then all of a sudden the weather changes, or my hormone change, or my food this week was a little funky, so all of a sudden my skin now is dry for a few days. And then a couple of days later it turns into combination. Your skin, regardless of what you think the type of skin you have, your skin changes on a daily basis. And Valmont targets specifically that. Whatever you put on the skin, any one of their products, it will kind of adapt to whatever your skin needs that day. This is why I love Valmont, because otherwise I have to kind of change my skincare regimens season to season, day, night. If it's cold, if the temperature drops, if the humidity in the air drops, I have to change my skincare routine. But with Valmont, you don't have to, because Valmont skincare adapt, and it's very pronounced with the Hydra 3 collection. So the charging cream, yes, it gives you sufficient amount of hydration with the most sophisticated and elegant lightweight texture that you can imagine, but it's also a very effective anti-aging, reverse aging product because it contains salmon DNA, the triple DNA. And the salmon triple DNA by Valmont has been a proprietary ingredient of theirs for a long time. Nowadays we're talking about PDRN. PDRN is salmon DNA. I know a lot of Korean skincare contains PDRN. Is the big trending topic. It has been for the last year. And everybody's talking about it as if it's the true innovation. Valmont has had the technology of salmon DNA for a very long time. So PDRN is not new. The beautiful thing about salmon DNA and even PDRN is that the molecule is very small. So you don't need a special encapsulation. It is going to penetrate into the skin because salmon DNA is very small. And salmon DNA specifically because it has been scientifically proven that salmon DNA is the closest to human DNA. And once again, Valmont is using it in many of their products, and it is present in the Hydra 3 cream. I'm in love with this cream. This is once again my new favorite discovery. It is an impeccable cream regardless of your skin type, but if you have very dry, dehydrated skin, this will quench the thirst of your skin immediately. But also long term, you will recover your dry or dehydrated skin. And once again, it is suitable for any skin type, normal, combination. Regardless of your skin type, this cream is for you. If your skin is very oily, obviously you apply very little amount. You don't apply a lot of products with any Valmont products, but you basically adjust the amount. This is an immaculate cream. immaculate. I'm absolutely in love with this thing and it loves me back. And once again, you can use both of these in the morning, at night, it doesn't matter. I usually combine this one with a little bit of the calcium growth factor. You can just combine both of them in the palm of your hand, apply, and now you have a complete anti-aging routine. Apply this cream around your eye area as well, especially if you have dry under eye area. This is suitable for the under eye area, but also you will immediately recover under eye dryness. As I said, the texture is so thin and sophisticated, then yes, it could be applied around the eye area as well. I wouldn't obviously apply it on my eyelid because it's still a face cream, but underneath and on top and a little bit here, suitable, perfection, great. And obviously you can use any type of eye cream. I've been using a variety. I'm still sticking right now with Angela Kalia and one other eye serum that just came out and I've been using it. We'll talk to you about it in the next video, but Angela Kalia Serum Cream Perfection, it's great. It's a great anti-aging product. You will lift your eye a little bit. It will kind of fix the crow's feet and wrinkles and etc. It's just as the face serum, the Cell Forte eye cream is exceptional as well. And then I have two new exfoliating products that I have been really actually enjoying. These exfoliating pads by Weiss, especially if you have dry skin, because they're very, very gentle. They're not harsh, they're not strong, but they get the job done, so they will exfoliate your face. You just glide it over. These are pre-soaked pads with acids, but the formula is so gentle. They do polish the skin, they take away dead cells, and they kind of refine the skin texture. This brand Weiss was created by Molly Sims, the actress. I've actually been enjoying a lot of her products, but this is the one that I wanted to talk to you about today because I started using it a few months ago. I've been kind of using it sporadically, but now I'm using this specifically a lot. I also do love her packaging. Her packaging is exceptional. This is a giant tub. As you can see, these pads will last you forever. I've been also trying a lot of products by Zaw Skin. I can't tell you that I like a lot of their products, but this exfoliating polish is actually great. If you want a physical exfoliation that's also suitable for dry skin but also sensitive skin, this is a very gentle polish. I will show you. I do like the packaging of Zoe. Number one, it smells great. It smells like, it smells very fresh, like the ocean. It makes me happy. This is how it looks. It's a very gentle polish. So obviously you use this with a little bit of water and you just kind of rub it in your skin a little bit. It leaves your skin kind of polished and removes obviously dead cells and etc. Sometimes even though I exfoliate with these pads or other acids on a daily basis, sometimes I need a physical exfoliation. Like I need something to rub my skin. A new to me balm cleanser. This is from the LMS collection. I've actually had it for a while, but I just started using it. This is the Cherry Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. Now it technically looks exactly like the other collagen cleansing balms by LMS, but this is a slightly different formula. I like the traditional LMS cleansing balms and there's quite a few variations of them, but the other ones leave my eyes a little foggy sometimes. The black cherry one, I just discovered that it's the only one that doesn't. Amazing. It's actually softer than the other ones, but it does a better job when it comes to the cleansing quality of it. It does a better job than the other ones. I'm not quite sure why. And yeah, it smells a little bit like black cherry, which I also love. It's not intrusive, it's not a strong scent, just a hint of it, but enough to kind of make you happy. You should definitely try this, especially if you've tried the other variations of the LMS balm and you didn't quite like them, or you like them, you will love this one. And my new product by True Botanicals, look at this beautiful bottle. So it looks like a tube, but it's actually glass. This is glass. And it opens like this. So this is called the Lipid Lip. It's by True Botanicals, and this is what I've been kind of using pretty much all day long throughout the day. See, True Botanicals already has this one big specialty to the whole brand. Their oils are so thin and so sophisticated made. The viscosity is super thin. It's more of a serum rather than an oil. Now, traditionally, oils should be applied at the end of your skincare routine, right? But True Botanicals is technically the only oil that you can apply first or as a serum. But this is the same concept. It is an oil, but not really. The texture is so, you can even see it in the bottle. Look how it moves. It moves like water, not like oil, because the texture is so thin. So this is called the Lipid Lip because it's so hydrating yet nourishing. And also, I love the packaging so much. I love just carrying it around with me because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, whoever created this, the design is genius. And this is it for today. If you are suffering with dry, dehydrated skin, these two products are absolutely a must. This will change your skin. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.